Hi guys, welcome back to Cardz TV. This is Mary, and today we're going to make card number 2 in the Valentine's card series for 2018. And we'll be using Cardz TV Card Kit and Caboodle sketch number 6. And as I told you, you can go to my blog, cardztv.blogspot.com, and you'll find all the sketches there. Just look at the top under the Cardz TV title, and you'll see Mary's card sketches, and these are free to download, guys, so I hope you'll go by and check them out, and if you'd like, go ahead and download them. And when you get stumped, it's always good to have a sketch to get you going again. We're going to use an oldie but a goodie, create a critter, and we're actually going to use some paper from a Christmas paper pad. This is Merry and Bright from Pink Paisley. And for our sentiment, we're going to be using the Cardz TV Beary Sweet stamp set. And this one is on sale right now, guys, for $9.99 plus shipping and handling while supplies last for 2 days only. So you can go to cardztvstamps.blogspot.com. Check this out and see what else is on sale. I'm having an after Christmas sale, and maybe you can pick up some sets you've been wanting while I still have them in stock. Okay guys, let's get started on our second card in the Valentine card series for 2018. This is going to be a super quick and simple card, guys. I have a white card base. We'll look over here at the sketch, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 when folded. We're going to add a black mat, which is 4 by 5 1/4. And then this, I think you call this a herringbone pattern. This mat, which is 3 3/4 by 5. And this is from that Pink Paisley Christmas pad. I'm going to get all of these attached using my art glitter glue. And several of you have asked. I get this from Amazon. And it's great. I just love it. Next, we're going to add this circle, and it's a 3-inch circle, but I actually cut a 2 1/2-inch circle, and I use this stitch circle die. That's going to go there, but first I'm going to add my little border. I always forget that. So we've got a border that's 1 inch by 3 3/4, and this is just a little scrap of red and white polka dot, and I'm going to put that down first. Then I'm going to put my circle on there. Okay, I've got the base all ready. I don't know about you guys, but that herringbone is playing tricks with my eyes. Now, I'm going to use an image today from Create a Critter that I've never used before, but it is so cute. It's this adorable little panda on page 58, and I wanted him to be holding a balloon. So I turned over to 49, and I wanted it to be a heart-shaped balloon. And there is one in here. So I lucked out on that one. And here is that heart-shaped balloon on page 49. Let me show you how cute. This is adorable. And he's super easy to put together. All you've got is black and white. You cut the back of the panda out of black, and then these 2 white pieces, and there he is. And just to give him a little bit of shading and definition, I took a Copic marker. This is C1 Cool Gray, and I just went right around his little head and his little tummy and gave him just a tiny bit of shading. Now, I cut him at 2 1/4 inches, and I cut that balloon at 2 1/2 inches, and I just attached it to his little bear paw right there. I've got both images on some foam tape, and I'm going to put them right there. Is that not the cutest? Oh my gosh, my little granddaughter's going to love this. And for my sentiment, I used a stitched rectangle die and the Beary Sweet Cardz TV stamp set, and I used I Love You Very Much, but you could also use You Make Me Very Happy, You're Very Sweet, Sending You Big Bear Hugs. There's several on here that you could use, but I like that one, and I went ahead and stamped it on my little stitched rectangle, and I used Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and I had a tiny little heart stamp, and for that I used Memento Ladybug, and I just stamped it right there in the corner. And doesn't that look cute on that stitched rectangle? I've got this on foam tape as well as my bear and balloon. That's going to go right there. Isn't that cute, guys? I'm going to be using this panda again. I just love him, and this was so quick and easy. And you could take some red Nuvo drops or sequins and just put a few here and there just to bring out some more of that red. But I just think that is adorable. But I really think he's cute, and it was so quick and easy. Thanks so much, guys, and don't forget to go over and check out the After Christmas sale going on over at Cardz TV Stamps. You might find something you need or want. Thanks so much for coming by. Have an awesome day, and I will see you again soon with another card. Bye now.